present on-screen commentary of some incidents to help viewers understand each situation, and comment educational feedback to enhance the knowledge of drivers. Before we begin, please make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Enjoy watching.
Life itself. Think about moments in your life when you felt in love with life. When you saw the light dancing through the leaves on the sidewalk. And you, for a moment, realized how simple that is and how it's beautiful. Think of the moments.
I've seen it before. Oh, that one right there? Yeah. I'll go over there. I don't like
that's the turn, that's the turn.
Oh! Fucking Christ, dog.
Holy guacamole. Okay, that one was not my fault.
That was
what
the hell is he doing?
Holy.
Yeah, I mean, usually 5 things work, but like, sometimes just want a few extra more, you know?
I like hold it, it goes straight to 100.
Yeah, well, if you hold it for too long, it'll
Oh my
keep
god.
climbing.
This dude. Oh.
Yeah, well, if you hold it for too long, it'll
Oh my
keep
god.
climbing.
This dude. Holy shit. That.
This area is nice because I could take breaks or I could like.
If you need to, you can bring it to me and I can put it in the back. Oh my god.
What?
That was a really horrific car accident.
Oh no!
I'm gonna get out and make sure the people in that car are okay. And I'm gonna call the police right now.
Oh no! I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I'm really annoyed.
I'm calling 911.
Credit and get $75 towards your first sponsored job. Terms and conditions apply.
Any of the fans go to cheer on their team? They're behind-the-scenes MVPs, ensuring everything is game day ready. We see you, Joe, fixing the seats so every fan can enjoy every game. And Allie, who keeps her stadium running smoothly from the moment the first game starts to the last play of the season.
So, what are these buttons for? So comfy. Ah! I'm burning! Ah! Out! Oh no! No, no, no! Not me!
The sound is so powerful. And what's this? Yeah, this is fun. Not my fault.
Time to try this beauty.
Huh? Simply the best. It's perfect. The engine is so powerful.
Oh, yummy. see.
The race is on.
What have you done? You ruined it. You'll have to pay for this car. Come with me. Cash your card. Good. Approved. Congrats on your purchase. They deserve it.
So at this point, that's what the information they're working with. This is still remains a very active scene. They have to shelter in place. So all these folks who live in these buildings right here, most of them have not been able to come out since this has happened because they're not even letting cars leave some of these parking garages.
On his way home. Good. What the f was that all about? Good Lord. Are you alright? I am. Are you okay? Yeah. What's that all about? Hey! 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 Get your phone.
Opened my eyes, it was still there. I mean, again, probably all in my head, but still, it was one of the, it is the scariest thing that I've ever experienced in my entire life. I don't know what the hell was going on. It was an old building. They tore it down.
Were you wildly aroused?
Jesus.
Well, I mean,
It could have been the night, man.
yeah.
It could have been the night.
Like the night.
Because
Yeah.
there's a Ghostbusters situation there with Dan Aykroyd sleeping, and all of a sudden Ghost hovers over him, and then suddenly his pants unbuckle. I was watching that with my son when he was much too young to, well, he's still too young. And we get to that scene, he goes, "Daddy, what's happening?"
Yeah. Oh. Jesus.
And, following the 98 trap ban, they started experimenting with cage traps and cage traps that they could somehow...
Look at that guy.
Well, what happened?
I don't know, but I got it on video.
We didn't call 911. How did that happen? Oh my gosh.
I have no idea why that guy was speeding so fast.
Is he okay?
YouTube UV Octobaby Live at Sphere, a jaw-dropping visual experience.
Tune in for YouTube news every week at 7-Eleven Drive. Go to Cubo7.com and enter
Little bit like the pit is waking me up now. Before I was hard. Oh,
Someone honking at you?
no, this truck driver tried to cut me off, man. Bro, like I'm right in the lane, right? And he's forcing the lane change. This guy's a mother. Oh, I have the right of way, you idiot. I'm going straight. Like, what's wrong with you? Fucking idiot. Oh, he's right behind me telling me. What the What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, man? Oh, he's telling me. He's actually telling me. Oh my god, I have a dash cam, bro. Holy shit, he's trying to hit me, bro. He's trying to, bro. Oh, he's trying to hit me. What the what? He's trying to hit me, bro. What the?
Why is the guy tailgating you? Did you cut him up?
No, I'm going in straight in the right lane, and he forced his way in. He almost tried to hit me. Like, you know when you're in the right lane, and the guy's like forcing his lane change, but you have the right of way. He's forcing his way like as if I have to let him in. I don't have to let him in. It's not like a merge, bro. It's like you know he's trying to get off.
So
the
you
exit.
didn't let him.
You yelled, I'm Stacks.
Yeah, the name's Stacks McFadden.
Stacks McFadden's a great name.
I pushed my dad off a building.
Very cool. I have 5 parents.
Wow.
I kind of don't know them very
Could you
well.
push them off a building?
Well, we actually don't have buildings in my planet because we're all underwater, and if I didn't push one off, it wouldn't really matter because we're underwater.
Don't hit us.
What the?
Jesus Christ!
Unappended board in the from the skull has been shortly after Skinner's disappearance. The state police determined that
The person that in the car isn't liable. Right. But the car manufacturer couldn't. Oh. Glenn, I can't even tell you what just happened in front of me, dude. I heard the wheel squeaking. The car's wheel just came off, and this motherfucker's driving away. What the are you doing, dude? He's driving on his rim. He almost hit the car in front of me. The wheel just took off. What the dude, get video. I got a dash cam. I have the whole thing on video.
Oh my god!
wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? I better put this in there.
लगी तो नहीं बच गए
There lies a long shadow. The tower trembles.
That like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course, my example always for this is 35-year-old white woman who
Look at this dumb, bro. Hit me, bro. Are you me? Hey, pull the. Let's go. Hyundai Elantra CRWC 386. Let's go. Let's pull it over. Let's pull it over. Hyundai Elantra CRWC 386.
Everyone on the road. I'm in a police-looking like vehicle, and he basically kind of like it was one of those. So I thought, well, screw this guy. So I got in behind him. I put my spotlight on, flashed my beams, I flashed my lights at him.
You said you put your spotlights in your car. I haven't seen your car. Yeah, so you have one of those spotlights that law enforcement or cabs have.
To them, okay?
Okay.
I flashed my headlights at him.
Okay.
Now, whatever, I heard his statement. He said I was flashing red and blue lights at him. When I blew
Madam Tussauds. By the way, on the show. Yeah, anyway, we'd love to have you on the show. Look, I'd ask. I would absolutely have to. You look great.
What the hell?
And laid his head on her breast. Nessie rocked him as she held.
Too late.
Some people say he's an animal because he can't talk. But I know he understands. And he's not an abomination either, she added with an angry look at Reba.
Yeah, just everybody pull out in front of me today.
Spirits that made him were mixed.
Airport, they realized that it was Tanya Nelson, her oldest daughter, traveling under the name Tanya Nelson, traveling under the name.
Great, more rich moments for parents. Warmer days filled with fun family memories and epic backyard grill outs featuring the best steak of your life. Guaranteed. Go to omahasteaks.com. Most people who are going to be working an hourly wage are going to be working for more than minimum wage. So who exactly are these minimum wage workers? Well, they're typically not only being paid $8 an hour. Now the federal government says it's going to be paid
anymore, at all. Why do we do them? Because they always seem to be terrible, right? What do you think about Tim Scott and his positions? And I agree with some of it, I disagree with a lot of it, but the fact that he was not responding at all, they're not even trying anymore, right? Does really, I think, diminish the role of the response. There is no way to compete, as I was saying earlier, with a State of the Union or a presidential address of the nation. You just can't do it. They're a different.
Hobby? It's called, what is it? Oh my god! What the? They just kicked this person out of the car. Should they call the cops? I don't know. What do you...
The van was parked on the wrong side of the road. Black car tried to pass, but another car was on the right side of the road. Driving black car went back on his other side and hit the van. Hit and run on Hampton Boulevard in Norfolk, Virginia. Just a meth head stealing a Chevy work truck and smashing Norfolk Fire and Rescue. A 28-year-old man was critically hurt after he smashed his SUV into a dealership lot. The driver was speeding around 1695 North State Street when he jumped the curb and crashed into the dealership. A driver's dashboard camera captured a wild rollover crash in Santa Clarita that injured a Los Angeles County Sheriff's deputy. Unfortunately, I don't have any updates yet. I'm still trying to get things sorted with my insurance. The man who ran the stop sign is being non-compliant at the moment. Incident, hit and run, that occurred at the roundabout. Sandwich State, Rosedale Ave. The guy ran away. Watch as a car makes an illegal turn, leading to a multi-car pileup. It's a stark reminder to follow road rules and signals to keep everyone safe. Don't text and drive. Driver was completely fine with barely a scratch. By the time I was able to get across the road and hop the guardrail, there were already 4 people working on getting the door open. Pedestrian was in my A-pillar the entire time, not distracted. Red light runner with dealer plates almost nails us both. Oregon, May 29th, 2024. What will this look like to the insurance company? Truck quickly accelerated into the lane from the median lane after traffic started moving. Mass hole cuts across 2 lanes of traffic for a last-minute turn. Bonus, the next generation of idiots. Truck forgot to close the side door. He didn't seem too shocked. I stopped and tried to help, but he rudely ignored me. Probably should have stopped and waited for the green light. Nissan Frontier was found 100% at fault after trying to lie and say he was set at 65 miles per hour on cruise control while coming all the way over from the merge lane. Even professional drivers have close calls. This clip from a car race shows just how quickly things can go wrong. Precision and control are key to avoiding disaster on the track. Changing lanes requires extra attention. Here, 2 drivers nearly collide due to a poorly timed lane change. It's a good reminder to check your blind spots and signal well in advance. Nissan Frontier was found 100% at fault after trying to lie and say he was set at 65 miles per hour on cruise control while coming all the way over from the merge lane. At the intersection, the car didn't check for oncoming traffic and darted out just as I was approaching at speed in my semi. Look at all that time he saved himself. Red lights are not suggestions. People almost hit the pedestrian too. Is it a semi or a pickup? If pickup, then camera at fault. If semi, then depends on how long they indicated for. Rip to my 2017 GTIS. My father-in-law needed to turn into a parking lot to pick something up, but had both lanes blocked. A white van came around him. Somebody overestimated their own driving skills and took the corner way too fast. They were completely fine, luckily. Truck needed to slow down with all the flashers up ahead. So I caught my first crash on dash cam. Driver was following behind me and tailgating really close. Following too closely needs to lose their CDL. They're a danger. If you're gonna pull out like this, you better commit. Not the trucker's fault. Sweet, sweet karma happened today on my commute home in the great state of Georgia. White car was the idiot. Driver tries to take the emergency vehicle median U-turn at 70 miles per hour. Their car nearly rolled and nearly hit 5 other cars. Luckily, it seems no one else was involved. People in Ohio and Michigan be crazy sometimes. Drive safe. Definitely wasn't paying attention, you see over everyone else. I saw this blue car driving faster than he should have been, braking pretty late compared to the traffic ahead, and knew a crash was coming. Semi-truck driver were paying attention to the traffic surrounding them. Distracted driving, I guess. Tesla pulls a U-turn, almost causing an accident. Another impatient driver can't wait for me to pass and attempts to cut me off with bad results. I will give him credit for saving it after he hit me. Broke my headlight and 1-2 my bumper. Oh yeah, yes, I have a new truck. It's a 2016 Freighter Cascadia. Semi-driving too fast for conditions. Motorcyclist pulls straight into oncoming traffic and speeds down the wrong side of the road. On my way to work this morning, a semi-truck crashed behind me. It was clear that the crash was serious, and I immediately called 911 to report the accident. Whoever caused the first initial accident most likely at fault. I would not put the truck driver at fault. This driver cut dangerously in front of me, forcing me to stop abruptly. The reckless maneuver created a hazardous situation, putting both of us and other road users at risk. Roundabout idiots. At first I was swearing at the silver car, but after watching the cam, I'm not sure the white SUV had any intention of yielding. It was definitely too fast for that narrow-looking street. Failure to maintain control of vehicle. A pickup's brakes failed and hit my semi and 3 other cars. The sudden and unexpected collision created a chaotic and dangerous situation on the road.